What's going on, guys? It's your boy C God. Starting off today with an introductory video, pretty much going to be showing you the parts I'm going to use to be bagging my 2006 Silverado crew cab. I got a full Nfamus kit, which you can see here behind me, and we're going to be unboxing that today. Maybe a little bit of disassembly on the truck. I already have the bed off. The truck is in the garage behind me as well. After the truck is bagged, we'll have probably a lot more videos. I also have an 86 RX-7, but we'll get into that later. Just a lot of good stuff to come, so hopefully we can get this rolling. So let's get into that unboxing. All right, guys, so these are the boxes. I purchased the 99 through 06 front kit, as well as the under rail kit in the rear with the notches. I got the full meal deal, air management, and I also got the raised gas tank Crossmember, but I've read that that's not even going to work for the crew cab. So let's go ahead and get started with this first box over here to the left. These parts have been sitting for a while, so hopefully we don't encounter any spiders or things of such. Oh yeah. So these are gonna look like the axle tabs. Go ahead and set everything over here. Looks like the front, maybe. These are gonna be the bag mounts. I'm not really too sure what these are. I must say the quality from Nfamus is very nice. Very nice. Everything is packaged very well as well. Oh, we got these Bad Daddy link bars here. Oh, look at that. That is magnificent. Cannot argue with the quality from Nfamus. Ooh. I think that's going to be all for this first box. Go ahead and open up the next one here. Looks like a Crossmember. Actually, let's go ahead and just open it all the way. Right there. Yep. Looks like this is the raised gas tank Crossmember. Ooh, once again, quality, man, quality. This is some nice stuff. Look at that. Oh my god. If we could match this on the truck, she should be good to go after that then. Also have the rest of the Crossmember, which includes the Wishbone mount, so that's pretty convenient. And this puppy will just bolt right onto the frame, or weld actually, but oh my god. Very nice, very nice. Also comes with these gas tank straps, hardware, lock nuts, washers, everything you could want. Very nice. Continuing on. I believe that was everything. Hopefully that was everything. And this one, go ahead and open that. Oh, there's the Wishbone there. Oh yeah. Take this out in the sun so you can kind of get a better look at it. Very nice pieces, very nice indeed. Oh lordy. Very nice. I believe that was everything in that box. Oh no, it definitely is not everything. Got another small box here. Assuming this is going to contain some hardware or something. A bunch of bolts. Some bushings. Very nice, very nice. Separated as well, quite nice, I must say. I apologize if you can hear a dog barking in the backyard. We have neighbors. And that's gonna be the end of that one. More trash as well. Yeah, they did not skip out on packaging. I'll tell you that much. All right, now let's get to the good stuff. Ooh, yeah, there we go. Oh yeah. Once again, can't speak any higher of the quality. That's very nice. Ooh, it's one of the front control arms, uppers. And we're gonna go ahead and start piling all these parts up here. As well as the other one here. Quality, quality, quality. Very nice pieces. Some more bushings for the front end, as well as some nice ball joints, all the nuts, cotter pins that would be necessary. Ooh, they gave me some links. That's very nice. I honestly was not expecting this at all, but they did indeed give me a steering kit. I did not think this came with the kit, as it wasn't even stated in the description, but very nice. That's a big shout out to Nfamus. Big shout out. Quality stuff, quality kit. They send you absolutely everything you need. Bolts, washers, and lock nuts. Cannot go wrong. Very quality stuff. I'm blown away so far. And this right here is how you weld on your upper arms. Very nice pieces, all CNC'd. That'll be all for that one. Continuing on. Looks like these are going to be the notches. Notch number 1, big burly piece. Very nice, great thickness. Very nice welds. Looks like a little bit of it'll be all right. Let's go ahead and grab the other one out of here. So this will just consist fully of the notches. Yeah. Very nice pieces, very nice as well. So I'm assuming this last box is going to consist fully of the air management, the bags, the fittings. I can only assume. They did indeed hook it up with a few stickers. Well, actually it looks like one sticker. Nfamusmetal.com, as well as a card from Nfamus as well. 6525 Conveyor Drive. Go ahead and put those to the side. And this is going to be the front bag mounts, I believe. Driver front. Pretty nice as well, pretty nice. The driver left. The passenger front, I suppose that would be. And these are all the bushings consisting for the front piece, the front kit, including grease zerks and all. Lower ball joints. And here are our wonderful lower arms here. Nice big burly lower ball joint. Very nice welds. They look really nice, really nice. And these ones are not labeled, so should be pretty easy to figure it out. And go ahead and set these here. There's the other one there. Very nice, very nice. Looks like that's everything. Might have to contact them about that air management unless I can find it somewhere around my house. But the rest of the parts look fantastic though. Alright guys, so as you have guessed it, things aren't always perfect. Had the boxes sitting for quite a few months, finally got around to opening them as you can see, and they pretty much didn't send out the full meal deal air management kit. I already got in contact with him. He said he'll ship it out to me tomorrow. Sorry for the inconveniences. Once again, just nothing but good hospitality coming out of Nfamus. Answered right away, had no issue looking me up just off of my phone number. So I still recommend them. Very small detail. The parts look amazing, as you guys can see. So if you stayed this long, then thank you. This is my very first video. Like I said, got a lot more to come. If you liked it, if it was any type of cool, if you're looking to bag your truck, whatever you're trying to do, please give me a like. You know, if you know anything, had any experience with any of these Nfamus parts, go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know what you think, and have a good day. Thank you.